National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County, and southwestern Ohio until 9:45 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Hocking Hills State Park, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Logan, Nelsonville, Hocking Hills State Park, Hideaway Hills, Star, Laurelville, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Adelphi, Tarleton, Buena Vista in the Hocking County, Gibbesville, Islesboro, Hideaway Hills, Haydenville, Lake Logan State Park, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Enterprise, and Union Furnace. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity.